And welcome back. Jamaica's reggae girls will begin their campaign at the CAC Games in Barranquilla, Colombia tomorrow. The technical staff is using the tournament to fine-tune the girls' preparation ahead of next month's final round of CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers, which will be held in Jamaica. Karen Madden reports.
Jamaica is drawn in Group A at the Games and will get their first test against Venezuela on Thursday at 10. Venezuela, like Jamaica, has never been to the World Cup, but their women's program is considered to be more successful than their male counterparts. The Reggae girls left Jamaica on Monday brimming with confidence, belying the concern the coaching staff has about injury to one player. But speaking from Barranquilla, assistant coach and former Jamaica international Lorne Donaldson insisted there is adequate cover.
We had a big setback the day before we leave. Sydney Snyder went down, top-notch goalkeeper, so we had to fly another goalkeeper in. And I think that kind of put a little, confidence, a little bit of confidence, less confidence in the players, because, the way she plays, she complements all the players very well. But I have good faith in all the rest of the keepers, because Christian played when we were in 80, and she played the 80 game, and Christian was very good. So we have a lot of confidence in Christian.
Donaldson also revealed that the team was also impacted by the absence of some players that the coaching staff had been eyeing.
This trip is one of those trips that we wanted to look at some new players, and some of the players that we have, like, say, for example, Trudy Carter, who is is going to Rome on contract to play in Italy. We didn't want to mess with that, so we let her go. And two centre-backs are missing, Swabi. But we brought in some other players, Tory and other players, to show up the back line and look at our depth. It's also a good chance to look at our depth of players going into the qualifiers.
The veteran coach says the team will be playing to win, but will approach each game as it comes.
And I don't want to call it match preparation, because this is a tournament that, we can't let our guards down and say, well, you know what, we don't care. No, we do care. We would love to come out here, and when it's last said and done, we're in the Final Four playing for something. So, it's preparation for something that we think is a little bit more important. But this to us is very, very, very important that we do well.
Jamaica will play Costa Rica on Saturday and complete their group fixtures against host Colombia next Monday. Group B consists of Trinidad and Tobago, Mexico, Haiti, and Nicaragua. The top two teams from the groups will move on to a semi-final knockout stage, with the winners vying for the gold medal on July 30. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.